The Search and Select plugin allows you to easily create groups of elements, visualize them, and select them on the model. Groups can be manual or selector. Click Add Group and then Object List to create a manual group. Select elements in the model by clicking on them while holding down the Control key, and then click Add Selected. You can change the group name and accept the change by clicking OK. The first group appeared on the list. Now let's add a second group, this time using a selector. Let's introduce a rule that the IFC type is equal to EF's wall standard case. Before accepting the group, we can still change its name. Now click on Automatic Preview to activate the tool. When a button has no settings entered, a drop-down list will be displayed. Here you can define the function of the button when it is enabled. For example, you can set it to show and select objects. Click Reset to restore the initial display. When you enable Automatic Preview now, you will immediately see its effect. Groups are numbered according to the order in the plugin list. You can also see the number of elements. We can also expand groups to see their contents or select individual elements. You can also add a new group directly from the selection. By selecting items, e.g. by type, you can quickly create a new group from them. Once the items are selected, simply go to the plugin and select From Selection. A group with 20 elements has been added. You can rename it. You can create a selector group whose elements will have to meet several conditions. To do this, set Custom Selector and Parent Condition AND. The first condition will say that the name must contain wall, and the second one that the belonging property has to have a value equal to building. If you select a group and click Show Matching, you will see what elements it contains. You can also assign colors to the groups you create. In the case of selector groups, you can do this e.g. by conditions. This group contains elements that are slabs, columns, or beams. Each of these three types has its individual color. You can also assign one color to an entire group. To display assigned colors on the model, you can use the Color Matching option. You can see the effects of your work by displaying groups and visualizing their elements in different ways.